Horses out. We have the Chosen One beginning nicely at the start. Moving up party outside Generous Genta. Alongside third comes Doña Erica. Stand by. Your Man is by the rail. Then followed by Star of Manel. Winning Habit and Star Turk. As they swing down the back. The Chosen One, the leader by about 3/4 of a length. Generous Gent is right behind in second. A length back in third comes Stand By Your Man. Then followed by Doña Erica. Moving a party outside Star of Manel. Then followed by Winning Habit. And too far behind is Star Turk passing the half mile. This time 2 and 3 is fighting it out for the lead. Now make it 3. Moving up now is Generous Gent to take the lead. Is Star of Manel is already outside. By the rail comes the Chosen One. Is Stand By Your Man. Doña Erica. Winning Habit and Star Turk. 3 and 3 still fighting it out for the lead. Moving up party out so now Star of Manel. Generous Gent is by the rail. And in third the Chosen One. As they come down at the last 200, Star of Manel takes the lead by Ralenka. Generous Gent is by the rail. And in third the Chosen One. Last 100 meters, we have Star of Manel by about 2 lengths. The Chosen One once again second. And finally it's Star of Manel, the Chosen One. Then comes Generous Gent.